Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Language University School, Day Shift, Monastery, Dhaka. Today, I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, Board Question 1, 3. Today's topic is Chapter 4, BQ. It means Board Question 1 and 4. Term half yearly 2021. And today's lecture number 16. And I'll give HW on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 14. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 4, BQ 1 and 3. BQ number 1. Write the saying of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the recitation of the Holy Quran. Answer. Recitation of the Holy Quran is the most important ibadat. We should learn to recite the Holy Quran correctly and teach others to read it correctly. It is for us to recite some verses from the Holy Quran in our salat. The great Prophet ﷺ said, "The best person among you is he who learns the Holy Quran and teaches it to others." Okay, dear students, it is the meaning of hadith and its Arabic is Rasul ﷺ said in hadith, "Khairukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allama." He is the best person among you who learns the Holy Quran and teaches it to others. Okay, dear students, now we will start question number 3. BQ 3. What is tanween? Give an example of each. Answer. Double jabor like this, double jer like this, and double pesh like this are called tanween. Tanween will be pronounced with noon. One noon sakin remains hidden in each tanween, which is expressed at the time of pronunciation. For example, ba double jabor ban, ba double jer bin, ba double pesh bun, ban bin bun. Dear students, we know that there are three kinds of tanween: double jabor, double jer, and double pesh. Its pronunciation with make any noon, any one noon, such as ba double jabor ban, ba double jer bin, ba double pesh bun. Okay, dear students, it's enough today's lecture. Now I want to give HW on the basis of today's lecture. Today's HW number 14. And topic of HW, write the answer of question number 1. Write the answer of question number 1. Okay, dear students, you have to do as your HW this question. But question number 1, write the saying of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about the recitation of the Holy Quran. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW from here to here. This is your HW. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. You have to do your assignment very carefully and completely and submit your HW on every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood the topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay well. See you again very soon inshallah with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.